สุดท้ายหนาวคันนี้หนาวคันนี้ช่างหล่อให้ได้บานเฉียตีซาปาเรสเตนให้คือเฉียดำบอลหลวดใต้ยังในแต่ดัชเอสให้บานซาช็อมวยเจ็ดในไปได้ตีซาปาดำบอลสปอร์ตคือเฉียดไหลในเต้นให้ได้บานเฉียตีซาในแต่ CSL ยังมาดองเด็ดจังไงนี่ยำนังมาใจlấyแต่ต้องช่วยนัง liquidity target ได้เนี่ยเอาคันนี้อาจโยtừ success value ได้ยำดอกสองจริงปี ICT กันสับให้ liquidity target นี้ได้คือเฉียดเมรีมวยได้สำคัญได้คันนี้ยังถ่ายแต่ดังถ่ายแต่โยลสำหรับการเทรดเวียนนังบังฮันเยิ้งเนี่ยไปได้ตีซาไปนะเวียรีสอร์ทไปนะเวียนัง continuation จังเนี่ยเอาคันนี้ไอ้ success value ของได้ช่วยนังยุทธศาสตร์นี้ให้ยุทธศาสตร์นี้ก็บ้านอ้อยยมพาแฉลงในอาฟากับทอมวยได้ให้สำหรับเนี่ยได้เอาตอนเจอวิเพียตีซาเนี่ยเอาคันนี้ไอ้จอยใน community บ้านในขนมคอมเมนต์ให้ไอ้สแกนชัวร์ก้นในขังเลยในบ้านตอนแรกยังมาเมื่อ trading อยู่งอคันนี้จ้านี่วิจิตรตีฮอ trend บุลลี่จังเนี่ยเอาคันนี้สมัยเมื่อเนี่ยไปได้ตีซาเวียตอนดาจังตีซาเนี่ยไปได้ตอนดาอันนี้คือเฉีย flow แบบนี้จังเนี่ยไปได้ซาเวียไม่ได้แก่ supply เนี่ย supply นี้วิจอจังเนี่ยไปได้ตีซาเวียรีสอร์ทแล้วเป็นในไปได้เบียรีสอร์ทเบียใต้แต่ปากกาเฉียโลกับโลให้เบียปากกาเฉียไฮโลจังเบียออดไปได้โลนี่แต่คือเบียไปถิดโลจังเบียเชนจะเชื่อบุลลี่วิ่งจังการน่าจะเชนเชื่อบุลลี่คือsupply ได้เบียไม่ได้แก่แค่นี้ให้เนี่ยเบียเชื่อ liquidity ต่างหากบันในท่าตีซาเบียเถิดมาโยเบียมาเถิดมาโยบ่าย stop นั่งให้เบียนั่ง retracement มาจะโยkhiในไปได้เบียไปให้แก่ order block บุลลี่หรือก็ดออะไร discount หรือก็ OTI ตีซาอย่างเดียวไปได้เบียไปให้เบียนั่ง continuation ต่อเด็ดจังอันนี้วิเชียไอ้เก๋บ่าย stop ต่อเด็ดตีซาเบียใต้แต่โยมาแต่หนักการมาแต่หนักการแต่ยมประจำดองทิศอันนี้มันเชื่อ time frame โตแต่คือเชื่อ time frame 4 ម៉ោងយើងเชื่อตีហោ time frame 4 ម៉ោងឬក៏ daily ហ្មងចឹងអានេះវាជាបាយ stop ទៀតចឹងទីផ្សារវាតែងតែឡើងទៅយកអីគេឡើងទៅយក liquidity របស់វាវិញចឹងទីផ្សារវា cycle របស់វាដើរឡើងដើរចុះដើរឡើងដើរចុះយកលើយកក្រោមយកលើយកក្រោមគឺវាវាបានន័យថាវា cycle ចឹងឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលឧទាហរណ៍ bearish មួយទៀតនេះគឺជា bearish flow ចឹងដូចយើងបង្ហាញមុនហ្នឹងចឹងយើងសម័យមើលថាទីផ្សារវាអត់ទាន់ដើរកន្លែងនេះចឹងទីផ្សារនៅពេលដែល bullish វាតែងតែបង្កើតជា structure bullish គឺវាប្រតិច swing low ចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាឡើងគឺវាតែងតែបំបាយថ្ងៃចឹងបានន័យថាទីផ្សារតែវា retest មកប៉ះ order block វានឹង continuation តចឹងនៅពេលដែលផ្សារវាអត់បង្កើត high បន្តទៀតគឺវាបានន័យថាវា change trend វាមាន CSD ហើយតមកវាអត់អា swing high នេះគឺវាប្រតិចចឹងបានន័យថា swing ហ្នឹងគឺវា reversal ចឹងកាលណាតែ reversal អា support ដែលវាប៉ះនេះគឺជា liquidity របស់ទីផ្សារទាំងអស់គឺទីផ្សារត្រូវមកយកគេអាហ្នឹងគេហៅថា sell stop អ្នកខ្លះ sell side liquidity អីគឺវាដូចគ្នាដែរហ្នឹងចឹងអានេះ sell stop នៅពេលដែលវាយកមកតង់ហើយវាតែងតែ retest ទៅយកគេទៅយកតម្លៃ premium យក kilowatt របស់ premium bearish trend ហ្នឹងចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាយកហើយវានឹង continuation បន្តទៀតចឹងអានេះគឺជាឧទាហរណ៍ដែលខ្ញុំបង្ហាញចាក់តងជាមួយនឹង bearish trend ចឹងឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលក្នុង trading យើងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងចូលមកមើលឧទាហរណ៍ក្នុង trading view ជាក់ស្ដែងចឹងអានេះ time frame ធំនេះ time frame 4 ម៉ោងអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញវាយកអីគេមិនយក set stop នៅពេលដែលវាយក set stop ហើយទីផ្សារវា consolidate បានន័យថាពេលខ្លះវាអាចនឹង continue តទៀតពេលខ្លះវានឹង reversal ចឹងយើងចាំមើលនៅពេលដែលវាយក set stop ហើយវា retestment ចឹងនៅពេលដែលវា retestment បើសិនជាវាចាក់ low នេះបើសិនជាវាគ្រាន់តែជាការ sweep low ទេបន្ទាប់មកវា retest ឡើងមួយជើងទៀតហើយវាអត់បដាច់ low បានន័យថាវាប្រតិច swing low នេះបានន័យថា low នេះគឺវាអត់បដាច់ទេបានន័យវាប្រតិចចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាអត់មក sweep low មកតង់នេះបានន័យសារហ្នឹងវា reversal ឡើងទៅវិញចឹងឥឡូវយើងមកមើលឥឡូវយើងចាំមើលវាចាំមើលថាវាអា swing low ហ្នឹងវាប្រតិចអត់ចឹងអានេះវា retest មកចាក់ដល់គេតម្លៃ premium នៃ4ម៉ោងហើយចឹងយើងចាំមើលគេសារវាប្រតិច swing នេះបានន័យថាវាអត់មកយក low នេះទេ low នេះគឺវាអត់យកទេវាចាក់ដល់ OTI ហើយវាផ្ដាច់ចឹងបានន័យថាទីផ្សារនេះវាបង្ហាញជាទម្រង់ reversal ឡើងវិញចឹងអានេះបានន័យថាវាបង្ហាញជា bullish ឡើងទៅវិញចឹងអានេះគឺជា buy stop ទី1ចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាយក buy stop ហើយវានឹង retest ចុះមកយកអីគេតម្លៃ OTI ឬក៏ key របស់ bullish ចឹងកាលណាតែវា retest អានេះគឺជា buy stop បន្តទៀតឬក៏យើងហៅថា internal liquidity ណាចឹងយើងចាំមើលឃើញទីផ្សារយក buy stop មកតង់ទៀតចឹងយើងមើលអាឆ្វេងដៃនេះអាឆ្វេងដៃនេះក៏វាជាអីគេគឺជាkey ដែលវា mitigate ហើយនេះអាពេលនេះ ពេលដែលវាយកបាយ stop នេះហើយវាប៉ះ order block 4ម៉ោងនេះតមកវា retest នៅពេលដែលវា retest វាប៉ះអា key ដែល stop និង train boolean នេះវា continuation តទៀតអញ្ចឹងវាឡើងមកយកបាយ stop វិញអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងចាំមើលពេលណាដែលទីផ្សារវា result ជា bearish មកវិញហើយនៅពេលដែលវាជា bearish អានេះគឺជា liquidity របស់ bearish វិញម្ដងឥឡូវយើងមើលចឹងចំណុចនេះវាយកបាយ stop ហើយតែអានេះបើយើងនិយាយពី liquidity យើងហៅ liquidity purge ចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាមាន liquidity purge បែបនេះហើយទីផ្សារ daily វាប៉ះ order block ហើយបើមើល weekly វាមាន IL បានន័យថាវាយក internal liquidity ចឹងវាបានន័យថាវា alignment គ្នាចឹងអានេះគឺយើងអត់ទាន់បង្ហាញតាក់ទងមួយវីដេអូមេរៀន alignment ទេតែវីដេអូក្រោយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើបង្ហាញតាក់ទងមួយអាហ្នឹងទៀតចានេះនៅពេលដែលវាបង្ហាញជា total soup អានេះបានន័យ liquidity purge ចឹងវានឹង result ចឹងអានេះគឺវាបានប៉ះគេ order block 4មកចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាឆេញមកជា bearish វិញអានេះគឺជាអីគេគឺជា sell stop liquidity របស់ market ដែលវាត្រូវមកយកចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាប៉ះ key ហើយវានឹងមកយក sell stop ហ្នឹងឥឡូវយើងមើលបងប្អូនគ្នាគេវាមកយកចាកន្លែងនេះវាបានយកអីគេយក short term high ហើយវាចុះមកយក sell stop ចឹងនៅពេលដែលវាយក sell stop ហើយវានឹង retest ឡើងចាក់យកអីគេយក key របស់វាមាន IBG អានេះមាន IBG នេះ IBG ចឹងនៅពេលដែលប៉ះ IBG ហើយតម្លៃដល់គេ premium zone ចឹងអានេះក៏ជា liquidity របស់ទីផ្សារដែរតែ liquidity target ដំបូងគេ import គឺអានេះ internal នេះអានេះគឺជា internal នេះអាហ្នឹងគឺទី1ដែលវាត្រូវមកយកវិញនៅពេលដែលវា retest ដល់ OTE ហើយវា continuation តចាឥឡូវយើងមើលគេវាយកនេះយក set stop តទៀតចឹងអានេះគឺជា liquidity របស់ទីផ្សារហ្នឹងដែលខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នានៅពេលដែលឃើញ support អ្នកនរគ្នាទិញហើយដាច់ SL នៅតំបន់ support ឬក៏តំបន់ supply អញ្ចឹងតែយើងរកមូលហេតុអត់ឃើញអានេះវាជាមេរៀនមួយដែលអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវតែចេះដើម្បីវាជាជំនួយដល់វាការ trade ខ្លាំងដែរដើម្បីឲ្យយើងរក profit អញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថាវីដេអូនេះនឹងចែកម្លែកដល់បងប្អូនដែលចង់ចេះ liquidity អញ្ចឹងយើងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយបន្តទៀតអរគុណច្រើន